Hello guys, and welcome to this video tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to download paid articles for free. Yes, you heard me right, for free. If you are doing your project, a master's thesis, a PhD thesis, you will need this trick very often because you often come across articles that they are so useful to your research, but yet you can't have access to because you have to buy in one way or the other. And even if you have the money, at times the means of payment is a problem. So today I will show you how to break that barrier. So first of all, the best place to search for research articles, you go over to Google Scholars. So I'll go down to Google Scholar, and then you click on Google Scholar. When Google Scholar opens, put in the title of the article that you're searching for. Say you already knew the title of the article. Like I'm doing a research on financial structure and financial sustainability of selected microfinance institutions in Cameroon. I could go those, type in the title. I want the text to appear as financial structure and financial sustainability. I put that one in inverted commas, open and close because I want it to appear just the way I've typed it. Of microfinance institutions. And I search. Okay, these are the only two articles I have here that meet that criteria of that text. So this is the one I'm looking for: financing structure and financial sustainability of selected SDC microfinance institutions. When you open that up, you find out that you have access to the abstract of that article. This all you have access to. And if you want to read further, so I click here that I want to read the full text. They will give you these options. You need to log in using your institutional login, or log into the Wiley library. You must have an account here to do, or you purchase the full text, which is $7 for a 48-hour access, or $42 for the full text. But at times this is way too much money for just a research article, or you don't simply have the money. So how do you get this article without paying? You select the title, select the full title of this article, copy it, open up a new tab in your browser, then go to sci-hub.tw. Like what I have on my address bar, you enter. sci-hub opens up, you paste in here in this search bar, paste in that address. I paste, you click on open. SCI searches that one and then opens it up. This is my internet download manager that tries to download. I picked up that document, BI 2018 2. When I click download, I open. Now you have, this is the full article that they were asking for $7 or $48, whatever, to access. Now I have the full article, which is 31 pages for you to use and cite. So guys, that's how you download paid articles for free. There are many other ways you can do this, but for today we will take it SCI Hub. Thank you.